With Climatiq's Excel Add-In, you can seamlessly transform your business activity data into trusted emissions estimates directly from your spreadsheet. In this video, we will show you how you can use Climatiq's Excel Add-In to estimate the emissions of a freight shipment. Our calculations rely on robust databases such as GLEC and include activity-specific capabilities like smart routing and pre- and post-leg methodologies. Before beginning these steps, make sure you have already set your API key within the spreadsheet. Check out our Getting Started video in the description for guidance on how to do this. Now that you've successfully set your API key, you are ready to make a calculation. With this tool, you will be able to estimate the total emissions of a shipment using existing details from your records such as origin, destination, transport mode, weight, and distance. This feature also supports multimodal and intermodal combinations, including road, rail, air, and ocean freight. To calculate emissions for a shipment, you'll need to provide several key pieces of information. Let's go through them step by step. First, provide your start location. This can be any type of free text, anything from coordinates to IATA codes. Then provide your destination location, which can also be free text. Next, indicate your main mode of transport. Valid values are air, road, rail, and sea. The weight should be the weight of the transported goods, and then you should indicate the unit of the weight. We support grams, kilograms, metric tons, pounds, and tons, or US short tons. Optionally, you can also toggle the Show Details parameter to see additional information like the distance and route taken. Let's say I want to go from Berlin to London by road and I'm sending 10 tons of goods. Then, to trigger the calculation, enter the function for Climatiq's calculation tool and search for the function corresponding to intermodal freight transport. Highlight the inputs you provided and watch the tool work its estimation magic. Now, let's say I want to send the same shipment but by using a different primary mode of transport, like sea, rail, or air. I'll use a split formula here to show the different legs. As you can see, our engine automatically selects the appropriate emission factors and calculates the distance of each leg of the route by considering the actual transport network where possible. By calling our API directly through a tool like Insomnia, it's also possible to specify the individual shipment legs as well as the mode of transport used. Let's try another example. Here, I have a bunch of shipment data collected from a transport management system. You can see there's quite a lot of variation across the different origins, destinations, weights, and unit types. So I'm simply going to apply this formula to all of the rows. And now, in just a few seconds, we will have emission estimations for over 100 shipments. This solution gives you a powerful way to calculate emissions for freight shipments, no matter what shipment data you have available. Ready to get started with accurate and compliant emission calculations? Install the Climatiq Excel Add-In today and empower your sustainability initiatives with advanced carbon calculations and data.